I have two giant, very heavy boxes here to explore. Let's dig in. This is getting heavy. Let's unpack them. Hey everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I have a very, very exciting haul to share with you. So a couple of days ago, I got an email from a woman named Susan who watches my YouTube channel, and she said she had a box of Dollhouse miniatures to give to me if I would like them. So Susan was incredibly kind. She lives in Ohio, I live in Maryland, and she was totally willing to ship all of the miniatures to my house. So they just arrived today. Let's unbox them together and see what's inside. Oh my goodness. It is packed incredibly well, and I can see that it's super organized. Here we have some building supplies, like this little stone wall. We have a brick wall with a lot left. There's another stone wall. We have grass in a jar, 2 grasses in a jar. Ooh, some tiny little bricks. Lots of really cute tiny faux flowers. Something wrapped. Some little animals, some little moose pets, and a little puppy dog. Can we just get a moment for how organized Susan is? I mean, look at this. Labeled clear bins. And that's not all. There's more and more and more and more. Let's take a closer look inside. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more Dollhouse miniature content just like this one. And make sure you stay to the end of the video because I'm going to share a special sneak peek of the inside of the first room that I am renovating in my current Dollhouse project. You won't want to miss it. Susan also has an Etsy shop with the most gorgeous junk journals, very vintage, very retro inspired. I will drop a link to her Etsy shop below if you want to check it out and support her. Not only are the books gorgeous, but each page is seriously an incredible work of art in and of itself. And I'll also include some screenshots or some photos of her work here in this video so you can get a little glimpse at what she does. have here box number 2. Oh, this is box number 1. It has a card in it. The card has her Etsy shop name on it. Hi Lindsay, here it is. I hope nothing is broken. I can't wait to see what you do with some of the items. I'll be watching. Have fun, Susan. Did I also mention that this is my birthday week, and so this is such a great birthday present. Thank you. Mini wrapping paper, bag of baskets, little planters, maybe like a bird bath, more little animals, some kittens, some dogs. These work really well as wrought iron stair treads. It looks like it's from a fan maybe. Gardening supplies, some more pet items. We have lots of boxes, packaging, donut box, pizza box, perfume bottles and tray. Oh my gosh. We have one of these in our backyard. Let's get a picture of, I like to say the mamas and the babies. The real life with the mini size. This is so cute. There's so much to go. Better than Christmas. It's another one. There's 2 of them. We have a little kitchen print, railing, some trim pieces, teeny tiny chairs, more chairs, a table for the chairs, a little office chair that wheels or rotates, swivels, a rocking chair, little workbench, a stool, little metal lawn chair, the TV, a flat screen TV, like a coffee table, and a table with some fruit on it. Oh my goodness. It's a music box, but also a piano, and the lid opens. We have a roll top desk, some nightstands, little TV, cabinets, kitchen chairs, 2 more kitchen chairs, 2 tables, and a bench cushion. This one's a little heavy. A little ceramic house. It'll make a great dollhouse for my dollhouse. This one is incredible. It's a harp, and it's got the little pedals on the back, little strings. This one's very, very nice. We have a little metal picnic set. This is really cute. Little Santa and a reindeer made of string lights. Another little planter, crib set. I need more space. I need a bigger office. I'm running out of room to unwrap all of these things. Little wagon, firewood. These are really nice. These are the metal mirrors. Okay, so I have to figure out how this goes together. We have a piano with the cover. How cool is that? This one had nothing. Little metal shelf, another bird bath. Another piano, and I think it's also a music box. Wow, this is really cool. It looks like we have like a window and some more wooden spindles. We have a little bathroom sink with a matching tub. We have another tub, faucet came off, and we have some fountains for the wall. Still going. We have this kitchen rack, really large windows. We have a desk with a like 90s computer, maybe plant shelf made of metal, some 3D print, 2 toilets and 2 bathroom pedestal sinks, little wooden hutch, another piano. It's not a piano. It's an organ. All the organ pipes, here's the top of it. All the organ pipes are taped on. Yes, it goes on top like this. The pipe organ. A pipe organ. Another wooden hutch. Another wooden hutch. Another wooden hutch. Another wooden cabinet. A fireplace mantle. Another fireplace mantle. Top of a hutch. Another wooden hutch. Another wooden hutch. And this is the last item. Is it another wooden hutch? No, it's not. It's something else. It is a fireplace mantle. Huge shout out, huge thank you to Susan for these miniatures. I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful, and thank you also to all of you viewers for watching this haul. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!